Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this, we are solving one question on production, and this has been asked in GATE 2018. I found it very interesting, so I thought let us solve together. Okay, so the question is: an electrochemical machining is to cut a through hole in 12 mm thick aluminum plate. So the thickness of the plate is given 12 mm. Okay, the hole has a rectangular cross section 10 mm by 30 mm. So cross section area is 10 mm by 30 mm, and ECM operation will be accomplished in 2 minutes. So time tau is given as 2 minutes. So we will convert into second. It will be 120 second. And efficiency is 90%. Assuming the specific material removal rate 3.44 10 raised to minus 2 mm³ per ampere second. So specific material removal, it is 3.44 into 10 raised to minus 2 mm³ per ampere second. Okay. So find out the current required for this process. So by reading just once, it will be looking very difficult for some people, but this question can be solved only using units. How? So we have to find out ampere. So for this we have given specific removal rate. Second, time is given to us 2 minutes, and mm³. So first of all, so how to find mm³? So here we have to find material removal rate. So how much material we have to remove? That is area of the rectangular hole multiplied by thickness of the hole, thickness of the plate. So it is 10 mm by 30 mm, hole size, and thickness is 12 mm. So this will be come out to 3600 mm³. So we have total material removal rate, and specific energy for material removal is given to us. So what is the energy required for this total material removal is this total material removal divided by specific energy. So our total material removal is 3600, and specific energy is given U, that means 3.44 10 raised to minus 2. I'm not writing repetitively, so just so while calculating, we have found that it is 10465 1.16 ampere into second. This much energy is required, but here we have given efficiency is 90%. So actual energy, capital E, that is small e upon efficiency. Some of you might have questioned why we have divided this efficiency, why not multiplied? So the reason is uh, the current we are applying, so we are giving input. So whenever there is an input and efficiency is associated with it, so we are dividing efficiency. And we are when we are concerned with output of any process or any system, so at that time efficiency is multiplied. Okay. So just dividing this by efficiency 0.9, we are getting the energy is, how much energy is required is 116279 ampere into second. This is actual energy that is to be supplied. But our machining was done in 120 second. Okay, so divide this by time, so second will get cancelled and we can find our answer. Okay, so here F is 1162, sorry, 116279 divided by 120. So here uh, what we are get is our we are getting is final answer, but here written it is written that correct up to two decimal places. So our answer is coming is that is 968.99 ampere. So this is our answer, final answer. So you have seen this is very easy, and this is only looking difficult by this name, but when you try to solve this by units, it is very easy. Thank you for watching. And one more thing, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe us for this daily numericals of this kind that are very unique, that has been asked in GATE or ESC or any other state or any SSC exams. Okay, and one more thing, uh, very in very short duration, we are going to start our new series on mains questions, how to write mains question, and we will also solve some previous year mains numericals. Okay, so thank you for watching, stay safe and keep on studying.